Mr. Deputy Speaker, before I ask my question, can I extend question time, please? Seek leave.
Honourable members, the question is that the question time be extended for 20 minutes. Those in favour, please stand.
Hey, Sana, my goodness.
No, God.
Come on.
Honourable members, you may be seated. Honourable Governor, you do not have a support to extend, so
I'm all right. Thank you,
just
Mr.
allow you
Speaker.
to ask your
Meeting mo
question.
narula na mi asking, Madam.
Yeah.
Thank you. Mr. Deputy Speaker, thank you long. Giving people long Sepik time long asking some important question. This la question and me asking because me reading my for report last week that's all let me come out now. Me got some asking where me concern him or people belong Sepik. Asking you know got talk sabai by go long. Minister belong finance, good plan minister belong finance. And walk out, so maybe Prime Minister again now. Can I reserve? Oh, sorry, let me come back.
Honourable Governor, we have the Minister back, so as soon as he resumes his seat, I will allow you to ask your question.
Thank you, Mr. Deputy Speaker.
Honourable Minister, you have a question from the Governor, so I'll allow Governor ask your question.
Thank you. Ask him, you know, talk sabi go long, good plan Minister belong finance na me. Lo making me see also me ask him lo facts na figures na me current budget book long government ni kam na. Me refer Minister go long volume 3A public investment program where underneath long department long aim sampla money ibini go inside where supposed long go long all province na all district. Underneath long 206 04860 you got public infrastructure development program where 220 million Mipla or member of parliament been talk right long last year for this year's budget, where all the provinces supposed to kiss him 10 million each. Now me like talk sawe also time me check long my for me looking also planting blow display payment you go out finish. Now people belong ECP like sawe also number one question. 10 million belong people belong ECP ki stop yet or you play give him lo sample and arpla line. Enough all people belong ECP ki harim stop. Suppose minister in upload talk sabe. 10 million long only go away. Number two, ask him, long bien him can same budget book where account 206 058 06010 district infrastructure development program where 480 million emi sit down where lo look sabe blomi desla money emi suppose lo go lo 11 district antap na abrusim desla PSIP na DSIP also same. So, me like ask him this plan, ask him also. Me got 6 district inside long, Sepik province. This is 5 million blow 1 district belong Sepik, and me go piniso. You play holy mieto, no God, please enough you talk sabe na people blow Sepik you can hurry. Nothing on Narbla district to is in down, not like sabe, only kiss in this plan. This is 5 million or no God. Me talk sabe can also account 206 06412. District Infrastructure Kina for Kina program. 456 million. Total of over 1.1 billion Kina where Misina all bucket where stop underneath long. Look out long minister. There's la Kina for Kina 456 million. Enough minister talks away who side through kisim inside lo this la parliament. So me blow all get I can save na people blow ECB too you can save. Also only got scale blow inside lo hapo no got. Because no good nubla budget come back na ipla by put him saying something na giaman in people belong Sepik na people belong Sepik by to giasalo here na still now and 4 more weeks back account closed so me like sabe blow people belong Sepik by come or no got na suppose no got in a good plan minister talk sabe why by you plan not giving people belong Sepik or something where you put him inside the budget well or name law. Thank you, Mr. Deputy Speaker.
Thank you. The Honourable Minister for Finance.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Me taking this time lo talk thank you lo Governor of Sepik. This these are appropriation bills that the finance department normally pays to those who are appropriated inside the budget. As such, each Sepik provincial government is entitled to receive 10 million. And your government was given 7 million already from my records.
Honorable Minister, you resume your seat. We have a point of order from the
My point of order is that I think the minister is probably referring to PSIP. I have a full view of all the accounts in my province, from the provincial government all the way through to the PHA. I've got all the figures, and there is no such thing as a 7 million payment out of a warrant, out of a CFC, that would come from the account 04860. I'm not looking.
Honorable Governor,
Them can give me copy.
your point of order is in order. I think that's the minister's response. I'll allow him to complete his answer.
Thank you, Deputy Speaker. Okay, everybody is entitled to receive 10 million, including the Kina for Kina and infrastructure grants. And as my record shows, that every East Sepik provincial urban members and districts have received Kina for Kina. My record shows that every members of parliament. Let me finish. I was listening when you were asking the question.
Honorable Minister, we have a point of order. Let me allow him to raise his point of order.
Thank you, Deputy Speaker.
The honorable member for Amuli Draike.
Now the minister is saying that he's already paid to East
Honorable
Sepik.
member, when you ask for a point of order, you have to wait for me to ask you to talk. Don't talk before the speaker. So, honorable member, go ahead.
Thank you, Deputy Speaker. So, Minister, I'm talking about sa Makata province. The district is in Binis. Tomorrow, I'm going to paper ka na talk sa Lamibla. Hamos sa province is in Binis. Hamos sa district is in Binis. Sa Romania, I'm talking about. Ako din nagapan for me asking question. Three black and money. I'm giving more details for tomorrow. The paper, I'm going to look him. That's my question.
Honorable member, I will rule your point of order out of order. It's like you are asking a supplementary question. So,
It's a point of
I think the minister have noted. So I'll let him to answer during his question time. Honorable Minister.
Thank you for that question as well. I've tried my best to give every member Kina for Kina and retired everyone. Those who are complaining here, those who stay in Mosby and not going into the electorate to spend those DSIPs and PSIPs, because almost 4 billion Kina, Honorable Governor, I was listening when you were asking me the question. Let me finish it first.
Honorable Minister, we have a point of order.
Thank you. Me not asking lo PSIP or DSIP. Me asking you lo Capital Investment Program PIP Volume 3A, which is not PSIP, which is not DSIP. I am asking about Provincial Infrastructure Program budget item 04860. Desala ino PSIP, desala ino DSIP. Desala and Provincial Infrastructure Program. Maybe different.
Honorable Governor, thank you. Point of order, blue and order. I think Minister now also starting back in Blongem. So if we go ahead, I think he will make mention. So I'll allow the Minister to go ahead and respond.
Thank you, Deputy Speaker. Thank you for the supplementary question again from the Governor. Some of the PIB projects are part under national planning.
Go ahead, Minister.
Finance only manages the expenditure part of it. So I have no answer to answer that very beautiful question from the Governor. And I will get a comprehensive answer for him tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Minister. Honorable members, our question time is left.